Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future of our homes. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 10 futuristic technologies that will revolutionize the way we live in our houses. From intelligent appliances to advanced security systems, we'll take you on a journey into the future of home living. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First on our list is the incredible world of smart home automation. Imagine a house where everything is seamlessly interconnected and controlled at your fingertips. With smart home automation, you can manage your lights, temperature, security systems, and even your kitchen appliances with just a voice command or a tap on your smartphone. It's like having your personal assistant for your entire home. Moving on to number 2, we have augmented reality windows. These windows are not just a view into the outside world, they are portals to infinite possibilities. With augmented reality, you can transform your view instantly, projecting visual landscapes, artwork, or even the night sky into your windows. It's like having a personal art gallery or a breathtaking vacation destination right in your living room. Next up, we have the mind-blowing technology of 3D food printers. Gone are the days of traditional cooking. With a 3D food printer, you can create custom meals using edible ingredients and precise layering techniques. These printers allow you to design and print unique dishes, catering to your specific tastes and dietary needs. It's like having a chef right in your kitchen, ready to create culinary wonders at your command. Now, let's talk about home energy storage, which takes us one step closer to sustainable living. This technology allows you to harness and store renewable energy, such as solar power, within your home. You can capture energy during the day and use it at night, reducing your dependence on the grid and even selling excess energy back to the utility company. It's a win-win for both your wallet and the environment. Moving forward, let's explore the fascinating world of smart mirrors. These mirrors are not just for reflection. They are interactive displays that bring information and entertainment right into your morning routine. With a smart mirror, you can receive real-time updates on weather, news, and your daily schedule. You can also use it for virtual fitness classes, skincare analysis, and even as a personal stylist. It's like having a personal assistant that knows your needs and enhances your daily routine. Next on our list are self-cleaning surfaces. Imagine a home where you never have to scrub floors or clean windows again. With advanced coatings and materials, these surfaces repel dirt, dust, and bacteria, keeping your home clean and hygienic with minimal effort. It's a game changer for those who want to spend less time on household chores and more time enjoying life. Now, let's dive into the realm of personalized home assistants. These AI-powered devices go beyond voice recognition. They are equipped with facial recognition technology. By recognizing individual family members, they can tailor their responses and actions accordingly. These home assistants can assist with daily tasks, answer questions, provide entertainment, and even monitor your health. It's like having a knowledgeable and caring companion by your side. Number 8 on our list is the emergence of vertical gardens. In our increasingly urbanized world, space for gardening is limited. However, vertical gardens offer a solution. These innovative systems allow you to grow plants and herbs indoors, even in small spaces. Using hydroponic or aeroponic methods, these vertical gardens require minimal water and no soil. Not only do they add a touch of natural beauty to your home, but they also improve air quality by purifying and oxygenating the indoor environment. With vertical gardens, you can enjoy the benefits of gardening and reconnect with nature, even in the heart of the city. Let's now explore the realm of smart security systems. These systems go beyond traditional alarms and cameras. They utilize advanced technologies such as facial recognition, motion sensors, and artificial intelligence algorithms to detect and deter potential threats. With a smart security system, you can monitor your home remotely, receive instant alerts on your smartphone, and even integrate it with other smart devices for a comprehensive home security solution. It provides peace of mind and ensures that your loved ones and belongings are protected. Last but not least, we have the rise of robotic home assistants. These advanced robots are designed to assist with a wide range of tasks, making your life easier and more convenient. From vacuuming and mopping floors to delivering packages and even providing companionship, these robots are equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence capabilities. They can learn and adapt to your preferences, becoming an integral part of your household and enhancing your overall quality of life.